Hi everyone, welcome to the Printerbot channel. My name is Clovis and I love to print stuff. And today on the Printerbot channel, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my very own vinyl feeder. So stay tuned.
So why do you need to use a vinyl feeder?
So the benefit of using a vinyl feeder is that it allows you to cut a design that's much longer than your cutting mat. Also, it feeds your material into your cutter nice and straight as well.
To build the vinyl feeder, I'm going to be using 3D printed parts and leftover materials that I have lying around at home. I provided a link in the description below where you can download the plans and the 3D printed parts. And I will be using my Ender 3 to print my 3D printed parts. I'm using an old MDF board that I had lying around the house. I'm drawing out the dimensions and where I will be drilling holes to install my 3D printed parts. I picked myself up a 1-inch dowel and I cut it to 13 inches in length. So this allows me to put the vinyl onto the roller so it can feed it. And using a square wooden rod, this is going to use to hold the vinyl in place. Next, I cut my MDF board to the dimensions that I need. I then proceed to drill some pilot holes and using wood glue to glue my 3D printed parts to my MDF board. And there you have it, your very own vinyl feeder. Alright, then I load this here. Alright, awesome. So over the course of the project, I've had to make some minor adjustments through trial and error. And even though it's not perfect, it actually works. And I'm very happy with the results. If you're interested in seeing more projects on what you can do with a feeder, check out this link to one of our previous episodes. I would like to thank you for watching this episode. I hope you found it informative. And if you like this episode, please hit the subscribe button and then the like button. And also the notification button to be notified when future episodes will arrive. And if you wish to support my channel, you guys can go to the link below and go to our online store and pick up your very own Printerbot t-shirts that we are now selling. Proceeds go to funding this channel and funding future projects. If there's something you want me to try or something you have questions, please leave me a comment down below. I would love to get back to you. And remember, if I can figure this out, so can you. So get out there and print something. Till then, I'll see you next time.